Hi, my name is Sebastian, Client Success Manager here at PromoJuice, and today I'm going to show you how to boost ticket sales for your upcoming event by 10 to 15%. Here is the campaign screen on PromoJuice. Let's pretend I'm one of your street team members and I'm selling tickets for you for your upcoming event. To sell a ticket, I have 4 different options. At the top, I have my own unique affiliate link which I can share with my friends. I receive credit in PromoJuice anytime anyone purchases a ticket using my link. I can also send out email reminders. If I type in a name and email address, PromoJuice will send them an email every 48 hours reminding them to purchase their ticket. But let's say I'm in person with someone who wants to buy a ticket from you right now. In this situation, I would likely accept cash or credit card. Whenever I accept cash, PromoJuice charges my credit card on file before any tickets are sent out. You collect your payment up front, so you never have to worry about collecting cash. Also, the customer is immediately emailed their ticket, so no physical tickets ever have to change hands. If the customer is short on cash, I can also enter their credit card information. You collect payment from the customer, I receive credit for the sale, and the customer, again, is immediately emailed their ticket. So those are the 4 ways to sell tickets on PromoJuice. And the best part is, your army of salespeople can do all of this on the go using our PromoJuice mobile app on their iOS and Android phones.